This is the sensor testing kit. It has two LEDs and 2D connectors. This is the sensor testing kit. It has two LEDs, two connectors. This section is used to check the PNP sensor and this for the NPN sensor. There is also a push button which is used to check whether the battery is good or not. If the battery is good, by pressing it the LED would glow, otherwise it won't. This is the photoelectric sensor and it is of both PNP and NPN type. Basically it has 4 wires to connect. One is the brown color, second one is the blue. These two are the power supplies, and this black is for if the sensor to be act as PNP, and the white for if the sensor to act as NPN sensor. So basically we just need only 3 types of this is the photoelectric sensor. It can act both as PNP or NPN sensor. Basically a sensor has 3 connecting wires. First is brown, blue and black. This is for the PNP configuration. This brown and blue is for the power supplies, and black is to give the positive pulse to the circuit. And we can also use this black, blue and white to act for the sensor to act as PNP sensor. Here the white is used to give a negative pulse to the circuit. For the testing, connect the sensor as PNP sensors and connect to the PNP section of the sensor kit. In this PNP section, connect the brown wire to this connector and the blue to the middle connector and the black wire to the right extreme connector. Now when there will be output in the sensor, this LED light will glow. Now disconnect this connection and connect the sensor as NPN in this section. Here the sensor is connected as NPN sensor. Here this brown wire is the positive supply and blue is the negative supply, and white is to give the negative pulse to the circuit. Now check this NPN sensor as similar to that of PNP sensor.